Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore accessibility labeling in React Native for compliance, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore accessibility labeling in React Native for compliance, start by opening your project. Ensure you have React Native environment properly set up. Locate the component where you need to implement accessibility labels. Identify elements that require accessibility labels such as buttons, images, or text inputs. Use the accessible prop on these components to enable accessibility features. Set the accessibility label prop to provide a descriptive label for the element. For example, if you have a button, your code should look like this: button accessible equals true, accessibility label equals submit your response. Remember to keep the labels succinct and meaningful. If using multiple languages, consider the localization of accessibility labels as well. After implementing accessibility labels, test the components using a screen reader. You can use built-in screen readers on iOS or Android for testing. Verify that the screen reader accurately reads the labels you set. Make adjustments if any labels are unclear or misinterpreted. Once your labels are finalized, revisit your entire application for consistency. Ensure all interactive elements are easily understood via their accessibility labels. Document any changes made for future reference and compliance. Lastly, encourage testing by users with disabilities for real-world feedback on accessibility. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.